Hey everyone, this is Sean. I'm over here at my house. I'm working private security on a special tactical detail. I'm actually on my lunch break. You guys ever ate these before? The Red Berry Special K. There's nothing better than cereal with ice cold milk. What's your special cereal? Just comment below. Amazing. You guys hear that? Did you guys hear that? You didn't think I was gonna pull something out, did you? K-bar, guys. An awesome tool for private security. If you need a spoon or a fork, check this out. There's a spoon feature and then the fork feature. You can have your favorite cereal, my kid's bowl by the way. Eat it with your best cereal, favorite cereal. And when an unsuspected person just tries to ambush you out of the middle of nowhere, you have an edge weapon. Pretty cool, huh? So this is basically made from hard plastic. Prisoners sharp plastic all the time. They sharp PVC piping into shanks. This thing out here, it'll do some damage, you guys. Watch this. Here's a box. We should check that out. I mean, just imagine what this can do to somebody's throat. Okay, is this legal? If you are in an unfree state like California, there's something called dirk or daggers. A dirk or dagger is illegal in California. You can have, now what a dagger is, it's basically a fixed blade that is concealed. So you can actually have a fixed blade knife on you as a private security officer or as a private citizen, but you cannot have a fixed blade knife that's concealed. When it's concealed, it's considered a dagger. It's a cool thing to have. I don't think any law enforcement officers are gonna mess with you, except if you use it, then that's what usually brings attention to them. All right, guys, let me know what your thoughts are on this. Can you have a K-bar, fork, spoon, knife with you? Let me know.